Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is the MacBook Pro 14-inch 2024. The chip is M4 Max, and the storage is 1 TB. And you can see the battery 100%, and the cycle count is 32. And let me show you the. You can see the GPU 32 cores, and the CPU. You can see 14 cores. This is the beautiful machine, and this screen is Nano screen. And let me show you. You can see the screen, Nano screen. The beautiful screen. Okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, you can see this is black color. No problem. The black color. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, and let me show you the keyboard backlight. No problem. This condition, and you can see the top cover. Also, no problem. And let me show you this price. This is CNY Chinese yuan 1800 18,200. Okay, and this is US dollars. Okay, this is Europe and HK dollars, GBP. Okay, British pound sterling. Okay, and if you want to buy, you can contact me. I can help you. I can help you find a shipping agency. They can send this product to you. Usually, I use the UPS and DHL and the FedEx. Okay. Okay. Let's clean this. Okay. No problem. Let's clean this. Okay. Let me show you. Yes. Okay. Let me show you clean this. This is a fingerprint. This fingerprint. Okay. This is 100%. Okay. Here is not a scratch. Okay. 100% of the battery capacity. Okay. Very beautiful. Okay. You can see this is very beautiful. Okay. And let me show you the back. Let us clean the back. Okay. You can the finger print the black. Okay. Let me clean this. We have a lot of different model, and I will upload more models on my website. And okay, you can see no fingerprint. It's very beautiful. And okay, this is the M4 Max 36 GB, 1 TB, 32 cores, and the battery capacity 100%. Nano. This is the Nano. Okay. You can see the corner, no problem, no scratches. This corner also no problem. You can see, no problem. Here also, no problem. Okay, the beautiful screen. Here also, no problem. Very beautiful. I will upload this machine on my website. You can check out more detail. I will take more photos. Okay, and let me show you the function. And you can see the. Let me show you the camera. Okay, this camera very. You can see me very clear. Okay, no problem. And also, this is a beautiful screen. Let me show you the screen. I changed the wallpaper and the gray color. You can see this is a beautiful screen. Super beautiful, the screen. Okay. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay. I will make more high-end machine about the MacBook. Okay. And you can see this is the M1 Pro 13 GB 512. And this is also another one, M4 Pro 24 GB 1 TB and 20 cores. And this is another one, M1 Max 64 GB 4 TB and 32 cores. This is the most powerful the GPU. Okay. Okay, let me show you the specs one more time. This is M4 Max 36 and 1 terabyte, a beautiful screen. Okay,